Welcome to Aloha Laundry Life. We're excited to help restore your garments to their former glory. Here's a quick guide on how our restoration service works. Step 1. Complete the order form on our website. Whether it's sneakers, wedding dresses, military uniforms, or more, tell us what you have and what your expectations are. Step 2. Our team will review your order and confirm the details with you. We'll then create a custom quote ensuring you only pay for what you need. Step 3. Your quote will be delivered to your email inbox and will notify you via text when it's been delivered. Then just simply make your payment. Step 4. We'll provide you with a prepaid shipping label, and in some cases we'll even provide garment packaging. Package your garments securely and apply the provided shipping label. Step 5. Drop off your garment package at your local postal carrier and it'll be shipped to the restoration facility. Your local postal carrier can also assist with packaging your garments if needed. Your garments will arrive at our restoration facility where they'll be treated with meticulous care over the next few weeks. But when it's all said and done, they'll be restored and good as new. Finally, your restored garments will be carefully repackaged and shipped back to your doorstep, ready for you to enjoy all over again.